I enjoy doing the work, but the people we work with are great, and our customers are great, and it's a family-run business, and we all take care of each other, and it's a great place to work.
Everybody here really cares genuinely about every coworker and employee in the company, and everybody wants to see you succeed. And the amount of family environment that there is really is what carries it on.
It's a place for you to grow. They want you to grow, and they set you up in a way that it's good for you, it's good for them. It's kind of a win-win. I love this place, so I want to stay.
Everybody at every shop knows each other, and then everybody's always happy to help. It's a big family atmosphere here, and that is a big thing for me, and that's what I tell everybody about this place is, we're one big happy family.
I really do like the fact that this company seems to really care about its employees, and happy employees are good employees.
Coming to work, you feel more part of the team. It's not like, you're coming in, clocking in, and you're just here doing your time and then leaving for the day. It's very, you come to work, you're laughing, joking, really great, and just kind of makes the time fly.
And with how big the company is and how they've grown it, there's plenty of avenues for anybody to go down a different career path if they'd like. So I really think that's something special that Silver Lake creates.
A lot of their shops are kind of cutthroat, flat rate shops. Everybody's just worried about themselves and their hours billed out. Here, we have a different type of compensation plan for the technicians. It just creates a really good atmosphere. We really keep production high that way because we're all a team and we work together.
It's like a family. The Garlock family has kind of become part of my family. The employees here, starting at a younger age, some of the senior technicians mentored me not only in my professional life, but my personal development. Dan and Darren especially have guided me to where I am right now, both those ways. So that's to me what makes it special, is it's not an employer-employee relationship. I feel like I'm working for family.
Most of our employees have been here for many, many years, and that's because they continue to grow and develop, and there's always another challenge, and there's always something more for them to accomplish. And a lot of that's, one, because the people that we have desire that sort of work environment. Two, the company is really focused on providing that for people and giving people not just a job, but a career and a pathway to get where they want to go.
We're a family business. It's not just Dan and I that are blood relation family. Everybody under the roof, our culture, we work with people that we want to work with and enjoy working with. And it's a great place to advance your career. We want you to grow with the company. We're a growing company, and we want all of our employees to continue to grow and strive to be better and better every year.
There's something special going on here. It's just I can't put it into words. It sounds so cliche when I say, well, it's because of the people that we have here and the customers, and it's just the benefits and all that. Everybody says all that stuff, but we really deliver on it. We're committed to all the right things, I believe. Just take the risk and come out and spend a couple hours with our people and talk to them and let them tell you why they should come work here. And because our people have been here for a long time, and they wouldn't stay here if they didn't really believe in it.